Man, I gotta pee. Oh man, should probably turn around before I act up.
Hey everybody, what the nice. Anyways, go. Anyways, guys, God damn it, you just shut up, shut up. Okay. Anyways, you done? Oh, I just. Guys, come on. Let me do my intro already. Okay, this is my shotgun. Man, you're just gonna ignore me like that, huh? Well, how do you like this, bitch? Yeah. Yes. Seemed like it did it. Yeah, not howling anymore, I see. Why? What are you doing? I just want to do my introduction. All right, I think he's done. Anyways, guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry about that whole thing. That's my Halloween decoration because Halloween's coming up, and I thought, hey, why not decorate? Yeah, that was a mistake. But anyways, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new SML YTP Jeffy the lawyer, because why not? I don't know why Jeffy's a lawyer to begin with, but he is now. Why? Just why? But yeah, Jeffy the lawyer. Just let me say it, guys. Jeffy lawyer. We're gonna watch that right now, guys. I am coming over there.
One, let's go.
I'm racist.
Wait, what? You're just gonna admit that? Wait, what? The God's name?
Don't ask Chef Penis if he can make us some black privilege.
What? I don't think he can give you that. What the hell? Is he dead? Wait, what? What? Oh, dear God. What? Wait, what? What the hell? What?
Joseph, don't yell at Chef Pee-Pee Cracker app.
Wait, what the hell? Why would you have that?
Of course.
Cody, you're acting really weird.
Of course he is. Well, actually, all of you are acting weird.
Do that thing with the rope again?
What rope thing? What? What in the world? Okay, I'm just not gonna question that. What the
Fine, sexy.
the hell is that?
Huh?
What? Stop showing me that.
I'm your dad, and I'm gonna record this.
Why would you record that?
So turned on right
What? How are you? What is fascinating about
Oh
that?
man, I gotta pee. Oh man, I should probably turn around before I act up.
God, Jesus Christ! Yeah, Daddy got caught.
Okay, go on, let's go. Oh my God, what do I do?
I don't know. You kill that child. He saw too much. No. Oh dear God, no. We ain't weird, man.
I thought I could just pee in a random kid.
Yeah. Wait. Well, peeing on kids is wrong. I didn't know that. Oh, I should apologize to that kid then.
What has this world come to?
Yes, that is the question, isn't it?
Take my credit card and buy Jeffy illegal drugs.
The hell? Why would you do that?
What?
What? Oh, okay.
Judge Strongbottom.
That dear God! Oh no, that's someone else. I thought it was someone else. Are you okay?
For anything.
Are you sure about that?
It could be anything.
Salutations, everyone. My name is Jeffy.
Wow, that's a great force.
I was there the whole time.
Yeah, all he did was pee on a kid. I mean, he didn't. Yeah, you're right about that.
I'll say Mario, free forever.
Jeffy, show him what you got.
My daddy raped me. Give yourself.
Okay. Yeah. Such a great lawyer, isn't he? Oh no, not him. Oh, that seemed like fun.
Hey, you wanted to speak to me? Are you gonna say something, Chief?
I think he's just gonna say, "Hell, oh, they just died." Oh, no, never mind.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to hear. Get me pictures of my nuts. I want
Okay, sure. I would love to see them. I mean, not. No, that's just disgusting. Ew.
I want to show pictures of my nuts to elementary school children.
Why would you want that?
Get me pictures of your ass.
What?
Yes, sir. My God,
What
Gary,
the
these are
hell?
incredible.
I'm just gonna back up a little bit. This is weird. This is weird. I'm backing up. It's off. Anyways, guys, that was a brand new SML YTP. Wow, you know, that taught me something. It's wrong to pee on children. I never knew that. Never knew that. Yeah. Huh. Kind of feel bad for what I did to poor Timmy. But anyways, guys, I gotta say, that was fun. That was a great YTP. Matter of fact, every single YTP I watch is great. Because they're just fun, wacky nonsense about killing people and just peeing on kids. Yep. That's comedy, alright? Yeah. The purest kind. Pure comedy. Yeah, comedy. Yeah, comedy. Comedy! Yeah, but anyways, guys, what the hell, I turned it off. Why is it making noise again? Anyways, guys, I guess that's it. Please like, subscribe. Get away from me! It's dead, right? It is dead. The evil's gone? You're dead, right? It's dead. Okay. Alright, that's it for me. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and of course, see you all next time. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Why?